Technology, and I want to explain two things about the transportation. The transportation system or circulatory system mainly consists of three components which are blood vessels, and the heart. First of all, blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Blood consists of plasma in which cells are suspended. Blood is in red color due to presence of hemoglobin. The study of blood is called hematology. Plasma transports food materials, CO2, and nitrogenous waste in a dissolved form. Next one is blood vessels. Blood vessels are mainly three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. First of all, arteries. Arteries are uh, responsible for transportation of blood from heart to other parts, which is oxygenated blood. Next one is veins. Veins are responsible for returning blood from other parts to heart, which is deoxygenated blood. Capillaries. Capillaries are circulating nutrients, gases exchange. Next one is the heart. The heart is the heart is divided into four chambers, in which two types. Upper two chambers are called auricles, and lower two chambers are called ventricles. In right two chambers consist of deoxygenated blood, and left two chambers consist of oxygenated blood. Between right atrium and right ventricle, there is a wall-like structure called tricapside wall. Like tricapside wall, there is a wall-like structure between left atrium and left ventricle called bicapside wall. In our heart. Next one, circulation. Circulation is mainly single circulation. Single circulation, the blood flows through the heart to other parts only once to complete one circulation. Is called single circulation. Next one is double circulation. The blood flows through the heart only twice to complete one circulation. Example of single circulation is fishes, and example of double circulation is amphibians, mammals, birds, and other animals. Thank you for giving this one class.